Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Voyager rod. This guide will show you the quickest path to obtaining this valuable fishing tool, known for its unique abilities. We'll cover everything from the necessary crafting ingredients and their locations to the financial and experience level requirements. By following these steps, you can significantly speed up your journey to adding this impressive rod to your collection. Let's dive into the details and get you fishing with your new rod in no time. Your first step is to reach the Ancient Isles, a challenging area with many ocean obstacles, so a speedy boat is highly recommended. Once there, look for a distinctive waterfall on the western side of the island. You'll need to use your glider to fly directly into the cave hidden behind this waterfall. Inside, follow the rope, and it will lead you directly to the ancient archives, which houses the special crafting table for your new rod. To craft the Voyager rod, you'll need 3 specific materials and some cash. First, gather 3 opals, which drop from meteor crash sites around the Ancient Isles. Consider using a meteor totem for faster spawns. Next, you'll need 3 pieces of void wood, best found by fishing at the Keeper's altar. Finally, secure 1 magic thread, which can be obtained from fishing or by opening treasure chests. Don't forget to save up 30,000 in-game currency for the crafting fee. Before you can craft, ensure your player level is at least 400. This unlocks the Voyager rod recipe at the crafting station. Once you have all 3 opals, 3 void wood, 1 magic thread, and 30,000 cash, head to the stone anvil in the ancient archives. To speed up your material gathering, use a meteor totem for opals and concentrate your fishing efforts at Keeper's altar for void wood. With these tips, you'll be wielding your new rod very soon.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.